Let us first discuss about the weight or force due to gravity. Particularly in this chapter, Laws of Motion, we require a very particular knowledge of this weight or force due to gravity. What we require is just it is represented by W and have the magnitude equal to mass multiplied by it is equal to m into g. Here m is mass and g is acceleration due to gravity. Here m is mass and g is acceleration due to gravity. We can also call it gravitational intensity. Now the second information about this force is regarding its direction. So what we call it acts vertically downward. More concisely, we can say towards center of earth. If we talk about a block having mass m, then we can say mg of this body acts vertically downward. The point of application of this force may be considered as center of gravity g. If we talk, say this is the body, then in this case acceleration due to gravity is towards the center of earth. So weight of this body means mg is towards the center of earth. Here point of application of this weight is taken as center of gravity. Generally, center of gravity lies at the center of mass of the body. Contact forces are forces which acts due to contact between two objects. There are two components of these contact forces. Here one component of this contact force is normal reaction, which acts perpendicular to the contact surface, and the other force is force of friction, which acts along the contact surface, and resultant of these two components of contact force gives us the net contact force, which can be represented as Fc. So we can say that Fc is equal to under root of normal reaction square plus frictional force square. Here frictional force F is along contact surface and normal reaction, it acts perpendicular to surface. Thank you.